Welcome to this lesson on administering a School City assessment. From your School City Launchpad, click on the Assessments button at the top and locate the test that you'd like to administer. When you find that test, be sure that the green light is on, which shows that the test has been published, as you must have it published before you can administer it online. Move to the right and you'll notice the Setup gear. This is available if you'd like to make any changes to the test before you administer it. If you go further to the right, you will see the Online Administration button. School City has some new options in the Advanced tab when you're administering your test, which could be very helpful. You can adjust the duration or the timing of the test at the top. There's also an auto activation button if you'd like the test automatically activated for your entire class. There's also an auto reactivation button, which is a new feature. The auto reactivation button will reactivate a student if they have dropped off the test or somehow logged off, and it will automatically reactivate. This saves you the time and the trouble of reactivating the students manually, so it is recommended that you check that each time. We are going to activate our students though, and I'll show you how to do this. First, your class may show up automatically. I am going on as a grade 3 teacher, and my students will be shown below. This is also a good place to monitor your students while they're taking the test. The students here currently are inactive, so you'll see that it is a gray color. If I want to activate just 1 or 2 students to take the test, I will check to the left and click the Activate button. This will change the color to a purple color, and you'll see the key above, meaning that they are active and ready to take the test. Students will also be able to see in their view their test and that is ready to go. If they begin the test and stop it suddenly, you will see in red incomplete. In process is orange, and when the test is finally completed, this will turn green. You'll also be able to see their progress here both by percent or by the question item number. If I'd like to activate my class all at once, I'll inactivate that student. If I'd like to activate all of the students, I can click above, again click the Activate button, and now when the students go to their School City portal, they will be able to see their test. And that's how you activate your students for School City.